Hello everyone, welcome to Punjabi Canadian. I hope you are enjoying your life and staying healthy. In this video, I'm going to talk about basic and trade skills which are really fruitful whenever we landed in Canada or Australia. If you are a student who have applied your profile for Canada or Australia, and as the processing is getting slow and it takes some time, we have to wait for PPR, we have to wait for medical update, so we have enough time to learn something new. We can utilize that time to learn important skills which can be helpful whenever we landed in other countries. So in this video I'm going to talk about that. Even there are tons of videos available, but I will definitely going to recommend to you, please watch this video till the end, because I'm going to explore something different, and I also tell you that how I acquire the skill certification without paying hefty fees to coaching centers and etc. If you are a +2 student or a graduate student or master student, it doesn't matter. What matter is your attitude towards learning something new. So without further time wasting, we start this video. Let's get started. So I have divided this whole video into two segments. In first segment, I'm going to talk about basic skills. If you are a +2 student and graduate student, मैंने ये बोल दिया है कि आप कहाँ से भी हो और आप इंडिया में से हो या पंजाब में से, दैट स्किल्स गोइंग टू बी फ्रूटफुल फॉर यू. सो बेसिक स्किल्स में मैंने 3 जो स्किल्स हैं वो इंक्लूड की हैं. सो नंबर 1 स्किल इज़ योर ड्राइविंग स्किल्स. अब जैसे इंडिया में ये होता है कि आप जो भी है आपका जो ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस है वो आप अप्लाई कर दें, आप सीखें अपनी जो कार की ड्राइविंग है, स्पेशली फॉर द गर्ल्स, एज मोस्ट ऑफ द बॉयज ऑलरेडी नो दैट हाउ टू ड्राइव. बट इफ दे डिडंट अप्लाई फॉर देयर लाइसेंस, देन प्लीज आई वुड रिकमेंड दैट अप्लाई फॉर योर लाइसेंस, बिकॉज इट्स गोइंग टू बी हेल्पफुल whenever we landed in Canada, right? Even you know that your lot of relatives and friends already told to you this thing. So I'm going to jump to the second point, and second thing is your cooking skills. We always underestimate this skill because we always thought it's okay, we will manage it, there will be friends, okay, we will live in a group and it will be manageable. But I would recommend please learn it as soon as possible, because utte jaake whenever we get the time, we do not have to look for other hand to cook and serve the food for us. So it will be good if we become more independent and learn these skills. And the third most important skill is communication skill. It is also the part of interviews and for job hunting, etc, etc, because communication skill is the only way that can help us to make our network strong, to hunting for a job. So this is important. And for communication skill, what you can do is you can practice your English skills. Means you have to improve your grammar skills, you have to use collocations while communicating, right? How to be friendly communicate, how to be formal, how to be informal. So these type of little bit of things can make a huge difference in our speaking style. So it also shows our personality to others. So it is important to know the communication skills. There are tons of videos available on YouTube where you can learn how to be more confident. And I would also recommend, if you are going to Canada, then please try to learn some Canadian accent. Even I'm also trying it so that I can learn some new words, slangs, so that it can be easy to cope whenever I'm going to land there. Fingers crossed, because we are still waiting for our PPR. So hope so things will be get better. So now the fourth thing is our attitude. अब आप में से बहुत सारे बोलोगे कि यार ये क्या बोल रही है, राइट? लेकिन एटीट्यूड एक ऐसी चीज़ है, या यू कैन से एक स्किल ही है, कि हमारा जो पर्सपेक्टिव है ना अबाउट एनीथिंग, वी हैव टू चेंज इट एंड वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर आवरसेल्व्स फ्रॉम नाउ onwards. We have to set up our mind according to that culture, according to their norms. So the most important thing I want to include in this attitude section is your helping skills. I would recommend, if you are attending online classes or offline classes, whatever it is where you are, so you have to help others. You have to learn it that sharing is caring. ठीक है, सबको पता है, लेकिन जब हम किसी की हेल्प करते हैं तो ये एक गिव और टेक प्रोसेस है. आज आप कर रहे हो, कल को आपको ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है. एंड इन कनाडा मैं साइन करने को तैयार हूँ डेट इट विल गोइंग टू बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू वेन एवर यू गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट योर अकोमोडेशन, योर फर्स्ट जॉब, योर फर्स्ट वट एवर इट इज़. सो योर हेल्पिंग स्किल विल गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. मैंने बहुत सारी ऐसी स्टोरीज देखी हैं. मेरे फ्रेंड्स जब गए हैं तो उन्होंने यही बोला है कि जहाँ पे नेटवर्किंग की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, हम रेफरेंस बोलते हैं ना, वो हमें तभी मिलेगी when we make our network stronger with others. Okay, तो हेल्पिंग एक ऐसा ट्रेट है कि हमें सबकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए जितना भी हमसे पॉसिबल हो, चाहे वो स्टडी हो, चाहे वो प्रोफेशनल कोई वर्क हो, कोई वर्क के रिलेटेड हो. सो वी ऑलवेज हैव टू गिव आवर हैंड्स टू अदर्स. So now I'm going to jump to second section of this video, and it is skilled trainings. So as we already know that for girls beautician का जो course है that will always topping the charts, and even there is one more, it's stitching of clothes. So as most of you know that stitching and beautician person always earn chunks of money, whether they are doing part-time job or full-time job. So if you have some interest in these skills, then please go with it. Okay, and if you don't have interest in these skills, then don't worry, I'm going to tell you other most important skilled things. Okay, but for boys you can go with some kind of electrician and plumber kind of work. I know in India, whenever you're in Punjab, it's going to be tough to go for a small shop and उनको कहना कि मुझे काम सिखा दो. I know that. I know. I'm also belong to this culture and society. So, but हमें अपने लिए करना है ना यार, किसी और के लिए तो नहीं कर सकते. तो हमें ये चीज़ को सोचना होगा. जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि हमें अपना एटीट्यूड चेंज करना होगा. इफ़ यू हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन दीज स्किल्स, देन यू विल डेफिनेटली लर्न दैट. And it will going to helpful for you. Literally, you will definitely going to get your job according to that. I know it's not be office job and a group A job. It can be C or D, but for running our work and other essential tasks, that money and that part-time jobs can be really fruitful for us. So this is for boys. So learn that skills. मतलब लाइक मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि आपको एक्सपर्ट बनना है. थोड़ा मतलब हर चीज़ के बारे में आपको एक ब्रीफ नॉलेज आ जाए, दैट इज़ मोर देन सफिशिएंट फॉर यू. सो नाउ the second most important thing is prepare your resume. Now you are in India, you have enough time, and don't watch Netflix all the time, Amazon. Okay, just try to improve your personality, because you are going to Western countries and you get this opportunity. You are extremely lucky, so utilize that. Okay, try to improve yourself in every way. Become all-round personality. It's important. Okay, so just prepare your resume in a Canadian style. There are a lot of websites, you can follow them and prepare your resume, because ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਲੈਂਡ ਕਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੰਨਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ. you already have to apply so many things, so it's important ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣੇ ਤੋਂ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲਓ ਤਾਂ ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ according to the job ਉਹਨੂੰ modify ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹੋ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. So second most important thing is your cover letter. You should know that what is cover letter, what is the resume. Okay, अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ +2 ਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ experience ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ, so you have to prepare yourself for. Okay, you have to frame your mind according to that. So other important thing is communication. As I have earlier told you, make networking strong. And other thing is your Microsoft skills. Yes, please learn Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint. It can be WordPad, Notepad, whatever it is, all type of अब या सिंपल सी बात बताती हूँ, यूट्यूब के ऊपर इतनी सारी वीडियोज़ हैं, उस पर क्रैश कोर्सेज होती हैं. सिंपल बता रही हूँ. जस्ट ट्राई टू लर्न दैट, ओके। 1 घंटे में आपको पूरी मतलब लाइक एक बेसिक जो बिगिनर लेवल को नॉलेज होनी चाहिए वो सारी नॉलेज आपको मिल जाएगी। आप कहोगे कि यार जब आप स्टडी करोगे ना, दैट कैन बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू फॉर एक्सेल शीट्स, present, how to make presentation, WordPad, that will going to help you. So please try for these type of courses. And other thing is try to earn some certifications so that you can strong your resume. What does it mean? For example, there are courses of digital marketing, fine. अब मुझे ये नहीं पता कि वहाँ पे डिमांड है इसकी कि नहीं, बट जितना एक्सपीरियंस या जितना मैं आर्टिकल्स रीड करती हूँ, न्यूज़पेपर देखते हैं, तो उसमें से ये आइडिया लग जाता है कि दैट इट इज़ वन ऑफ द नीचे मार्केटिंग, एवरीवन गोइंग टू ट्राई देयर हैंड्स इन दैट स्किल्स, सो यू वुड आल्सो गो विद दैट। यू हैव, अगर आप सर्टिफिकेट अर्न कर जाते हो तो उसमें आपका it's like a win-win situation for you and the company where you will going to apply. So please earn certificates, whatever किसी में भी ले लो, like बट ये हो कि आपकी स्टडी के रिलेटेड डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली वो रिलेट करें। फॉर एग्जांपल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग, SEO, if you don't know about it, just search it on the Google, and there are plenty of courses available, okay? There are a lot of websites which will provide you free coaching, so just you have to search it and you have to improve yourself, that's it. And other thing is which is very important, and it is SQL. If you don't know, it means structured query language, and it is one type of coding, and it is easy, okay? It's easy. I'm also learning that, and I have an interest in these SQL. I know that it will going to be beginner at the beginner level, but I think लर्न करने से कुछ नहीं जाने वाला, राइट? कभी ना कभी दैट गोइंग टू बी हेल्पफुल फॉर मी। सो आपको करना क्या है, सिंपल यूट्यूब के ऊपर वीडियो सर्च करो, जिस प्रोफेसर या जिस भी आपको चैनल से समझ आ रहा है उस चैनल को फॉलो करो, डेली उसकी प्रैक्टिस करो, एंड दैट्स इट यू कैन डू इट ओके। स्पेशली इफ यू आर अ +2 स्टूडेंट, एंड इवन फॉर द ग्रेजुएशन आल्सो। आई नो दैट कि पंजाब ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ग्रेजुएशन ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਸਿਖਾਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦਾ। we don't have a skills, we naive, okay, to the labor market. We don't know what will going to happen with us, so it's important that you will going to learn that, okay? So for networking, I also want to include one thing. I forgot to mention it earlier, that prepare your LinkedIn profile. Try to connect with Canadian employers. कुछ भी हो सकता है, like Canada I think is a place where plenty of opportunities are available, but we have to recognize it, okay? So recognize किमें होंगी, बस हर एक चीज जो भी opportunity मिल रही है, yes, saying yes to every opportunity can help us to recognize appropriate opportunity for us, और अपना ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਰੀਅਰ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਉਸੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਸੈੱਟ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਈਵਨ ਉੱਥੇ ਦੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਲਈ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਕੰਮ ਕਰੇਗੀ ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਵਧੀਆ ਇੰਪਲਾਇਰ ਮਿਲਦਾ, ਰਾਈਟ? ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਕਿੱਲਸ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜੌਬ ਡਿਊਟੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ ਮੈਚ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਸੋ ਇਟਸ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ, ਓਕੇ? ਸੋ I think I have included all the things, and I know that most of you already know about it, and please go to the comment section if I missed something, and if you have any question, please share this video, please subscribe to this channel. I always make and always try my best to make the videos, and I always search it, okay? So please I know कोई पैसा नहीं लगना ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ, ਬਟ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੈਲਿਊਏਬਲ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਟੂ ਟਾਈਮ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਰਹੂਗੀ। So please share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.